Recruitment Process Made Simple, a step-by-step guide. Struggling to find the perfect hire? Recruitment is easier than you think. With clear steps, you can attract, assess, and onboard top talent effortlessly. Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps every HR professional can master. Start with clarity. Outline the key responsibilities, required skills, and qualifications for the role. A precise job description attracts the right candidates and saves you time filtering applications. Remember, specificity is your best friend in recruitment. Leverage job boards, social media, and employee referrals to cast a wide net. Build a talent pipeline that includes both active job seekers and passive candidates. The more diverse your talent pool, the higher your chances of finding the perfect match. Screen applications for key qualifications and experience. Conduct quick phone screenings to assess candidates' communication and cultural fit. Narrow your list down to those who align closely with your job requirements. Keep the process efficient but fair. Prepare structured interview questions that focus on both technical skills and soft skills. Use a scoring system to objectively evaluate each candidate. Plus, ensure interviews reflect your company's values to leave a strong impression on candidates. Analyze interview scores and feedback to identify the best candidate. Offer a competitive package and a warm onboarding plan. The right first impression goes a long way in securing top talent. Ready to streamline your hiring process? Start applying these steps today. Subscribe to Job Risers for more HR insights and tips to master talent acquisition and build winning teams. The right hire is just a step away.